Hello, now I will tell you in detail about investing in cryptocurrency. Investing in cryptocurrency 2021, risks and prospects. Investment options. The cryptocurrency market is becoming more attractive, not only in terms of the fact that it will be convenient, safe and fast to carry out any financial transactions around the world, but also because you can make good money on investments in cryptocurrency tokens. Those who manage to overcome the fear of the new and bought Bitcoin, not even for $1, but at least for $10, $100 and even $500, now live quietly in their own homes, villas, or islands. Is it possible to earn money on investments in the crypt now? Is it too late to do it now? Has it all turned into another hype, tulip mania, or Ponzi pyramid? Our channel has prepared a material for you about what methods of investing in crypto exist and how best to do it. We should immediately note that it is most profitable to buy and sell digital assets on a cryptocurrency exchange. There are minimal commissions and maximum reliability. How to choose a cryptocurrency asset for investment. In order to choose a cryptocurrency as a means of investment, it is necessary to keep in mind two very fundamental points. The first point is related to the fact that there are no precise, universal methods by which it would be possible to uniquely determine or predict the profitability of a particular cryptocurrency asset. In general, investing is mostly creative, almost intuitive and subjective. As the famous investor Warren Buffett once said, if the books were written exactly how to invest and how to make money, then the richest people on earth would be librarians. The second point is related to the fact that the methods of financial analysis of investment assets used in investment practice and trading, such as the risk-return ratio, PE ratio, beta coefficients, Fibonacci levels, technical analysis and Elliott waves, practically do not work in the crypto market. Therefore, the most optimal set of tools or criteria by which you can somehow determine a suitable cryptocurrency asset in order to invest money in it is as follows. The degree of liquidity, i.e. the volume and amount of coins issued, their trading volume or token capitalization must be at least $500 million. $1 billion. Listing on a cryptocurrency exchange, i.e. the token must, at a minimum, circulate on an officially existing trading platform where it can be bought, sold, exchanged for other tokens. There are exchange rates with fiat money, i.e. crypto can be exchanged for paper money or other common assets. The issuer or organization that issued the token has an officially registered status, publishes its financial statements. The crypt chosen for investment must have an upward trend for at least the last 2 years, i.e. the graph of such a cryptocurrency must have a positive slope to the abscissa axis at an angle of at least 10% and at the same time not grow exponentially, have a slope of no more than 45%. To these basic criteria, you can add a lot of some minor parameters. But basically it all boils down to the fact that the crypto chosen for investment must be in demand by the market, regularly traded on it, and it could be withdrawn to your wallet or exchanged for fiat money. Which cryptocurrency to invest in 2021? Of all the liquid cryptocurrencies at the moment, the XRP token from Ripple looks the most promising so far. Why this particular crypto is most suitable for both those who invest money for a relatively short period, up to 1 year, and those who prefer to be a long-term investor or hodler. The following criteria and parameters are attractive. XRP token is not just a cryptocurrency, but a digital asset that is actively used for interbank settlements in some payment systems, for example, MoneyGram. In particular, this crypt is now used by more than 200 financial organizations, banks, including the largest Japanese financial holding SBI, which unites more than 60 banks, insurance companies, investment houses, etc. Past indicators of price dynamics, namely the growth of the token by 40,000% in 2017, have a clear tendency to repeat themselves with the target values of the token cost up to $50 in the future 2020. 2021. Ripple ranks third in terms of capitalization and liquidity in the general list of cryptocurrencies actively traded on cryptocurrency exchanges. The protocol used in the Ripple ecosystem for financial transactions, DLP, provides for the shortest payment period, 3.4 seconds. For comparison, settlements using Bitcoin require 3.4 hours in order for the payment confirmation to pass at least 12 blocks. In addition, the advantage of Ripple over many other crypts can be attributed to the fact that there is certain information Ripple and its payment services will be used as an international cryptocurrency standard. Top 5 Most Promising Cryptocurrencies for Investment. Of the entire available variety of cryptocurrencies, only the first 2 to 3 dozen tokens of the largest projects can be used for investment. The list of the top-rated investment tokens is as follows: Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Litecoin, LTC, EOS, Ripple, XRP. How to invest in cryptocurrency. Of all the available options for investing in crypto for an ordinary person, a layman in the field of information technology and finance, the most simple and preferable are 3 proven methods. Cloud mining. In a general sense, mining is the extraction or receipt of a crypt as a reward from the token ecosystem for participating in transactions using equipment and electricity costs. To do this, you can purchase both your personal digital equipment, farm, and use the equipment of others, i.e. remotely, or through the cloud. The logic of the cloud mining process is simple. The investor enters into an agreement, registered on the site, with a mining operator that has the appropriate mining capacity. By participating with their capital in the overall mining process, each investor receives his share of the profit in proportion to the money invested. The profitability of cloud mining, in comparison with conventional, hardware, mining, almost always turns out to be higher and more profitable for you. Crypto exchanges. This investment option involves the purchase of crypto on special trading platforms, cryptocurrency exchanges. To do this, it is enough to register on the exchange website, enter some of your personal data, payment details, and transfer money. Investing through an exchange is usually effective when building an investment portfolio consisting of several cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency exchangers. The main purpose of the existence and the meaning of the business of a cryptocurrency exchanger is to serve as an intermediary in the exchange of cryptocurrency for fiat money, and vice versa. To create a crypto exchanger, there is no need to create a company or register it. To do this, they usually use virtual exchange platforms in the form of a site, the domain name of which is registered in an offshore jurisdiction. Crypto exchanger commission varies from 1% to 15% of the exchange amount. This investment method requires some training in information technology. Advantages and disadvantages of cryptocurrency investments. Investing in cryptocurrency instruments, like any investment in financial assets such as stocks and bonds, carries risks. However, this is so far the only thing that unites these two formats of investing money. By and large, the crypt, as an innovative asset, has such advantages as the ability to conduct almost instant financial transactions throughout the planet and in any amount, scalability. On average, it takes 3-4 seconds to transfer money in the Ripple ecosystem, Coil, Rapid, Current. For comparison, to make a regular bank international transfer between the owner's own accounts, you will have to spend at least 3-4 days. This property of the crypt, to be part of the practical use in the financial system or use case, is one of the main attractive points of investing in digital assets. In second place after the demand for crypto as a real financial payment instrument is profitability. Naturally, while the crypto market is at its initial stage of development, we should expect the arrival of institutional investors in this segment. Then, those impressive growth rates of Bitcoin or XRP of thousands of % in 2017 will seem like child's play. For example, the daily volume of financial transactions in the world is about $12 trillion. It's not hard to imagine what would happen if at least 50% of this liquidity goes to cryptocurrency payment systems. Therefore, it is not for nothing that among cryptocurrency investors there are rumors that soon Bitcoin will cost at least $250,000, and the Ripple token, so unloved by haters around the world, will finally set off towards $2,000, delighting their loyal hodlers with a bar of $100. The third place of honor in terms of the attractiveness of investing in a crypt is the relative reliability of the storage of assets, despite the fact that scandals about the theft of bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies from one or another exchange periodically arise. The blockchain system is designed in such a way that it is impossible to seize an asset without instantly displaying a hacking attempt along the entire chain of transactions recorded in hundreds of thousands of computers. Anonymity. In general, blockchain transactions in cryptocurrency systems provide for an anonymity protocol for financial transactions. This does not mean that this method serves as a good way to conceal and launder criminal money. This, first of all, speaks of the protection of the investor's personal information, since, in fact, there is no banking secrecy in the world, from the word at all. Suffice it to recall the recent scandals with Cypriot and Swiss banks, the Panama Papers, which were ready to provide any information on their clients. Having listed all these obvious advantages, it is still impossible to ignore such an important advantage of investing in a crypto's elementary convenience. You can invest money, withdraw it, send it anywhere in the world. There is no need to keep assets in safes and safe deposit boxes. The investor's money is always with him, he always has access to them, and their safety is guaranteed. Among the disadvantages of investing in crypto, one should only take one point. This is still a poorly developed infrastructure that allows the full use of the crypto's illegal tender. This is also the absence of full-fledged payment systems, normal caching systems. This also includes the desire of states to put under their control this instrument, which guarantees everyone, without exception, to receive real financial freedom, instead of the financial slavery that the outdated usurious credit banking currency system has been offering for hundreds of years.